Hi, it's me, Shaiju Pudiyavitil. There is a lot of questions regarding EIA. There are a lot of discussions in social media and the relevancy of the subject also we have to discuss today. I thought about to give some nutshell and snapshot regarding EIA. What exactly EIA? We have to know the expansion of EIA, that is Environmental Impact Assessment. 2020 there is a draft came out from the government, and we are just looking upon what exactly are the main core areas. Before we are going to discuss about the EIA 2020, we should discuss about the EPA, Environmental Protection Act, has been enacted by the Parliament 1986. Why the act came on 1986 in the Parliament? This is the question. We are all known about there is a tragedy, Bhopal gas tragedy. It was happened in the wake of the Bhopal tragedy. The EPA Environmental Protection Act came into force on 1986, and it was drafted, or the act has been developed 253 of the Constitution. There is a total 4 chapters and there is a 26 sections in this the act. And the EPA was focusing, or it is actually stipulated to make a frame out regarding how we can protect the environment and the climate changes. And there is so many industries in our country, so-called the giant industries, the production sectors, chemical industries, and traditionally also we can see like excavations. There is a lot of process in our environment. So to regulate this process, to give the license and the procedure, how to give the license, these are all has been included in EPA Environmental Protection Act 1986. And now the relevancy EIA, Environmental Impact Assessment, there was a draft given by the central government regarding the environment. So we know about there is a ministry in government, the central government, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. There is a ministry exclusively to control, to give the procedures, programs and policy for our country. And now we know about what are the importance of the EIA. And here we can see the EIA is telling about the first ongoing industries, like which are all the industries are ongoing, and they just started like maybe 5 or 6 months back, or maybe in the last year it has been started. So the ongoing industries and the industries that is started recently will not cover under the EIA. That is might be one of the issue. So only the new industries will come under the EIA. The running industries are excluded from the EIA. And the next one we can understand that before like 30 days there is a public opinion. The public opinion means if it is any industry that is going to start, there will be a notification. So the government or maybe the semi-government agencies will be declaring there is a industry is going to start. So in this industry, what would be the environmental impact? The public opinion can be collected. So the public can give the opinion regarding what are all the pros and cons of this, and what would be the relevancy of the industry. So these are all information can be put forward by the public to the government. So it can be done through the media, it can be done through the social medias or the presentations. So there will be maybe some allegations and arguments may be come up, and these kind of allegations and arguments can be dealt through the medias. That is possible, but it was like a 30 days, but now it has been reduced to 20 days. So 30 days has been reduced into 20 days. So the time shortened. So that will be another issues in this EIA the policy. And the other one, the government made a term is called the strategic. What do you mean by strategic? There are, we know about like the port or the railway or the bridges or maybe some tunnels. These are all done by the government, that they are actually creating and constructing the government. So these are all the industries are put under the strategic platform. So in this platform, whichever industry they are going to start by the government, there will not be any kind of public opinion. So the public opinion is excluded from those initiations from the government. So that is another issue of the EIA. Then the other important point is that if you started industry, so-called the chemical industry or petrochemical industry, waste management or whatever the kind of industry you have been started, within 6 months, the Ministry of Environment and the Forest and Climate Change, the authorities will come and inspect that what kind of process you are doing, because you got a license and you are running the industry based on that license procedure, that guidance or that procedure. This will be looked after by the licensing authority within the 6 months duration in an EPA Act. But in this environmental impact assessment, now it is extended to 1 year. So maybe in a 1 year time, evaluation means any kind of diversification may be happening, or maybe the industrialist, they can add or delete some kind of process. That is possible. So that is another important issue or relevant in EIA 2020 draft. Another one, like we are able to understand about some of the industries, relevant industries, so-called connected into the chemical synthetics or biomedical waste, or the paint industry, chemical industries. These are all industries are not comes under the public opinion, or even the government can give the direct license to these industries to come up in our country. So these are all the very relevant informations regarding the EIA draft 2020. And other one, it is actually not exactly passed, but you are having a time to respond to the central government, probably within the duration of 11 of August. So if you are not opposed, if you are opposing or not opposing, your thinking, your ideology can be shared to the government. That is possible. There is an email ID, MOE 2020, the FCC means, the FCC means the Forest and Climate Change. If you go to the central government, the website, you can see the email ID. So you can collect the email ID, you can send your opinion. That is possible. So these are all the relevant informations regarding the EIA Environmental Impact Assessment 2020 policy. Thank you very much. I could share a few informations regarding EIA. Thank you. Signing off today. Try to the video.